Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Flowers not only add beauty to our surroundings but also carry cultural significance and symbolism. So here comes the part 2 of our video series on flower names in Korean language. As I said in the first part of the series also, that in the first couple of videos of the series, that is the part 1 and part 2, in these two parts we will explore the names of various flowers in Korean language, and then in the subsequent parts we will delve into their meanings, cultural context and much more. So let's start with the second part. Here comes the Korean word for sunflower, and that is 해바라기. 해바라기. Okay, now let's see how you're going to say daffodil in Korean, and it is called 수선화. 수선화. Okay, next comes the Korean word for tulip, and that is tulip. Tulip. As you can see, it is a loan word. Okay, now let's see the word for magnolia in Korean, and it is called mungmyeon. Mungmyeon. Okay, next comes the Korean word for marigold, and that is 금잔화. 금잔화. Now let's move ahead and see how you're going to say canola in Korean, and that is 유채꽃. 유채꽃. Next comes the Korean word for plum blossom, and that is 매화. 매화. Next, let's see how you're going to say crocus in Korean, and that is crocus. Crocus. Again, a Korean loan word, and therefore it is very easy for us to remember the name of this flower. Next comes the Korean word for chrysanthemum, and that is kokwa. Kokwa. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for dandelion, and that is 민들레. 민들레. Next comes the word for azalea in Korean, and that is 진달래. 진달래. Now let's see how you're going to say morning glory in Korean, and it is called 나팔꽃. 나팔꽃. Okay, here comes the next flower, and that is Aster, and in Korean it is called 과꽃. 과꽃. Next comes the Korean word for carnation, and that is Carnation. Carnation. Okay, so this one is another Korean loan word, and therefore it is very easy for us to remember the name. The last one is the Korean word for camellia, and that is 동백꽃. 동백꽃. Okay, so today we learned the names of various flowers in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.